Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ever wondered how to make your videos pop with AI generated captions? Click the Create button at the top of the screen. Next, navigate to the Presentation section in the menu. Once there, find and select the specific presentation you want to work with from the available options. Click Upload to add a new video, or select an existing video from your library if you'd like to add subtitles to your content. This demo will guide you through the key features of the software, highlighting essential tools and options. Follow along as we demonstrate each step so you can quickly learn how to navigate and make the most of the application. Select the video by clicking on it. Once it's highlighted, click on the Apps button to continue with the next steps. Type your video subtitles into the text box, ensuring clarity and accuracy for every spoken word. Select animated subtitles from the options. Click the Start button to generate your subtitles. Once the process is complete, click Export to save your file. This will include the animated subtitles in your final video, ready to share or upload anywhere. Wait for the page to load completely. Once it's ready, browse through the available design options. Select the design you prefer by clicking on it. After choosing your design, locate the Font Style menu. Click on the Font Style option to view different fonts, then choose the one that best suits your project's look and feel. You can adjust the size and position of your subtitles for maximum visibility. Choose large text for better readability, then select the placement, top, middle, or bottom of the screen, depending on your preference. This allows you to customize how your subtitles appear while watching. Additionally, the LISO text style is available, letting you further personalize and enhance your subtitle experience for comfortable viewing in any setting. Click the Generate button to start. The system will load your data and display a welcome message for the demo. Once this process is complete, you'll see the generated text appear here as a subtitle. This allows you to confirm everything is working correctly before moving on to the next step in the process. Click the Generate B2B Subtitles button to automatically create subtitles for your video. The system will process your content and display the generated subtitles in a separate panel within moments. Review the results, make any necessary edits, and save your finalized B2B subtitles for immediate use. To add another slide, go to the toolbar and select the plus icon or choose New Slide from the menu. A new slide will appear in your presentation. You can now click into the title or content areas to edit text, insert images, or add other elements as needed. Repeat this process to include as many slides as necessary for your presentation. Remember to save your work periodically to avoid losing any changes. Click this button to select the item, then click the Add button to include it. Make sure both steps are completed before moving to the next part of the process. With your video loaded, locate the playback controls below the video preview. Click the play button to start viewing your content. You can also use the spacebar on your keyboard as a shortcut to play or pause the video. Observe the playback to ensure everything appears as expected before moving on to your next editing step. You just learned how to generate captions with AI in Canva. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe for more quick tips.